Good day, sir. My name is John Luther Francisco, and this is my chosen topic for my reaction video. No, so I choose the topic of the poverty reduction, the implementation of cash, no, cash transfer. So for me, cash transfer are good because it big help, no, especially to those family na struggling in financial. So through programs like yung sa 4Ps, nakaka-receive sila ng mga financial assistance na pwede nilang gamitin para sa mga food at education at sa mga the other needs na basic needs nila. So sa tingin ko, no, malaking tulong din yung ito because lalo na sa mga pamilya na kulang yung kinikita nila. So at alam naman natin na hindi din nito agad nababawasan or natatanggal yung kahirapan or paghihirap ng mga tao. Pero nakakatulong din, no, para mabawasan yung mga iniisip nila or pinoproblema nila sa pang-araw-araw nila. So for me, my opinion, no, cash transfers programs are are effective when they are properly implemented. So dahil nga binibigyan nila or they give chance to meet their basic needs gaya ng sabi ko kanina at para ma-improve their quality of life, no. And I believe din that education and health conditions attach some programs para make sure or like making sure na children are makuha nila or ma-meet nila or ma-meet nila at ma-meet nila yung mga needs nila at maka-attend sila ng mga sa school at maka-receive ng regular check-ups. And also beneficial because they help families, no, yung cash transfer, no, para mag-invest in their futures. So however, and I believe din that cash transfers should be partnered with job opportunities and livelihood programs para hindi lang umasa sa ayuda ang mga tao at magkaroon na rin sila ng pangmatagalang source of income nila. And overall, no, dito is sinusuportahan ko rin for me as a student. I support the cash transfer programs because they big gaya sabi ko big help, no, para mag-improve yung buhay ng isang tao at family. So at mag-provide ng support to those who need it most. So thank you, and that's all for my reaction video, and that's my reaction on the implementation of cash transfer.